So in this energy channeling and meditation, I'm going to be channeling the energy of a new dawn. And so I am doing this exactly at sunrise, and I'm going to be calling upon the energy of that sunrise, of that new beginning, and channeling that energy through me into you as we do a meditation and an energy transmission for a bright new beginning. So just close your eyes. If you are able to do this outside, I think it would be amazing, but you can do this anywhere. So sitting or lying down, turn your palms up. And I'm going to start with some sacred symbols that allows me to connect to your energy across time and space. And sending you energy protection so that you are safe and secure and protected, and your space that you are residing in is safe and secure and protected. Breathe a little deeper. Really be open and receptive to this new. And I want you to imagine now that the energy of the sun is enveloping you. This energy never burns out. It always shines. So I'm asking now that the energy of a new dawn is channeled through me into you. So before we welcome the new dawn, we have to release and let go of anything from the night, from the darkness. And to have a dawn, we need a night. And so people often refer to it as the dark night of the soul. But the dark night of the soul doesn't last forever. The dark night always leads to a new dawn. So allow this new beginning to give you that final release or push or surrender, to let go of everything that you experienced during the night. That was a phase, and it was essential, and it was important, but it is time to move on to the new day. Completely surrender, completely open to this new beginning. And we let go of this chapter of our lives with love and gratitude. Gratitude for the lessons that we learned, but a huge sense of gratitude for ourselves, for persevering, for never giving up. You are deserving of this new beginning. And so we are channeling now energy of a pure, bright new beginning, energy of a new dawn, of a sunrise. Allow this into your being. Allow this to fill you up every part of you. Fill your mind up. Be open to a new perspective. Fill your emotional body up. Be open to a new way of feeling, of experiencing this reality. Opening up to a new dawn of spiritual awakening, whatever that looks like, and we don't know. But we are open and we are ready for it. And opening up for a new reality, for a new world, for your personal new reality, but a new world as a whole. With the energy of freedom and love being woven through the tapestry of this new day. For the remainder of this meditation, you can just be open to receive this energy. You are always welcome to set your intentions for a new beginning, to visualize, to use your words to express what that new beginning means, to talk to the universe, which is really just talking to ourselves because we're all one. Do what you feel you need to do to really usher in this new dawn. It's here. It's just allowing it in. Give yourself permission to allow. Give yourself permission to wake up to this brand new day. Let this energy fully integrate with your energy field now. Separation is an illusion. You are one. Let go of the duality. Let go of the feelings of separation and integrate. Feeling your power. Feeling your freedom. Feeling your divine gift and ability to create this new day, this new chapter. Not being held back by our conditioning, our past programming, by our traumas or wounds or pain. We went through that. We are free from that. We now have the ability to create from a place of pure freedom. I'm going to begin to ground this energy into you now. So send that sunny energy from the new dawn down throughout your entire body, through the soles of your feet into Mother Earth, connecting with Mother Gaia, expressing our gratitude for her, for always supporting us, always nurturing us and loving us. Feeling this full integration as above, so below. Focus that breath through the soles of your feet, as if you can breathe in and exhale. Pulling more and more energy in from Mother Earth, allowing her divine, beautiful energy to integrate with the energy of the sun, the new beginning. Taking a few deep breaths, and I'm just going into your energy field and wiping it off, sending anything you may have released that does not serve you down to Mother Gaia to transmute all energy back into neutral energy and recycle it. Going to be disconnecting from this energy session. Let's place our hands on our heart and just give a sense of gratitude, a prayer or affirmation and intention for this process, for your entire journey up until this point. So be it, and so it is. We give thanks. So you want to make sure that you drink water after this to really help ground in the energy, and we sent a lot of new beginning sun energy, which is fire and heat and masculinity, and so when you drink the water, it kind of brings that energy of flow and femininity back into your being. I'm sending you love and light, and I'll talk with you next time. Thanks for joining in.